We've been busy making face masks for our grandparents. Our grandparents were always there for us, teaching us to play the piano, singing with us.
Because of the coronavirus, face masks in the shops are fully sold out.
So we thought it would be nice to make face masks for our grandparents and elderly relatives. First we selected different fabric.
We looked at various different masks, but we liked this one with the pleats.
And it's got a pocket for tissues or filters. And it's got a bendable nose part.
And in this video we'd like to show you that anyone is capable of making themselves a mask. And these are the masks we made.
And now we'll show you how. This is what you'll need.
Material: one main piece of fabric, approximately 40 × 22 centimeters. Two smaller pieces of fabric for the sides, 9 × 13 centimeters.
And you'll also need
pipe cleaner, approximately 18 centimeters long or 7 inches. Scissors, pen or pencil, a ruler, a filter or a disposable face mask or tissue to put in the pocket, an iron and a sewing machine. And don't forget the elastic. Now check again that you have everything and then we can begin. Let's first prepare the fabric.
You can first prepare your pattern. Cut the material into oblongs. Zigzag stitch around the fabric edges. This avoids fraying.
Now let's start on the main mask.
First fold the fabric. Make sure that the pattern side is in the inside. Iron over it.
Measure approximately 4 centimeters in from both sides. Leave a gap in the middle.
Sew along the left and right lines at the top.
Now don't forget to leave a gap in the middle, that's going to be your pockets. Now iron down the seams, left to the left, right to the right. That's important so that you get your pipe cleaner in.
Now flip the fabric over. Your hole for the tissue is at the top. Now prepare the pouch for the pipe cleaner. Lay the fabric down with the hole in the center. Measure approximately 1.5 centimeters up. Mark with a pencil.
Now fold the fabric approximately 1.5 centimeters up from the gap.
Flatten and press.
Now we're going to show you this bit again because it's quite complicated. So 1.5 centimeters up, we're folding backwards and we are pressing.
Now sew along all edges. Make sure that you don't close the opening.
So you're sewing around really close to the edge, pretty much a top stitch.
Put the pipe cleaner into the top.
Make sure it doesn't fall out, pin or clip it in place.
Sew around it.
Now you see our hole, which is meant for tissues or filters or whatever you want to pop in there. So now we've got the adjustable nose piece in place.
Now you add the pleats.
And you can do pleats however you fancy.
Iron them so they hold better.
So keep adding pleats and ironing.
And pin the pleats before sewing. Sew the left and right edges. And this is what it should look like now.
Now we're going to do the side panels.
Aber auch nicht mehr als 5-mal oder so, muss ich gestehen. Das soll nicht.
Just to recap, the sides are going to need to be about 9 times 13 centimetres. Make sure you have enough material to go around the top and the bottom. And we've got plenty of material at the sides.
Fold the side part over and pin, or you can clip it. Now you do the other side.
And now you're going to be sewing down this side and this side.
Now it should look like this. Clap the sides out. Then turn over. Iron it.
So now it's decision time. Which type of elastic fastening would you like? I prefer the one that goes right around your head. For that you're going to need about 60 centimetres of elastic.
I prefer this elastic and only goes around your ears. For this one you'll need 2 times 30 centimeters. Put the elastic into the side and fold. Clip or pin in place and repeat on the other side. You have to fold the material over twice. You stitch along both seams. Tie a knot in one side and then on the other side. Pull the elastic around so that the knot is hidden. Then you can put a tissue or a filter in. Then you've finished a mask.
So for my mask with the long elastic, we put the elastic in, fold the side over twice, once and twice, and then we sew down. I forgot to sew the elastic into the other side, so I had to push it through with a pin. So then you tie a knot in the elastic and check that it fits around your head. Then you can open the pocket and pop in a filter. We're using an old disposable mask we found, but you can use a tissue or a filter.
Hooray! And now we're finished!
And now we have lots of beautiful masks for our grandparents and our elderly relatives. Now, this is a disclaimer. There's lots of discussions about how effective a material mask is, but I believe a mask is better than having no mask at all. Now, if you liked this video, maybe you'd like to leave us a like or consider subscribing.